Welcome to our unboxing video of the day. What do we have here? Incredibles! We have a roll of 100 superhero themed stickers, a superhero mask. These are sold individually, but they come in a variety of colors. Incredibles 2 blowouts. These fun Dash themed 9-ounce cups. 16 lunch napkins. 8 dessert plates. 8 dinner plates with the whole Incredibles family. Incredibles 2 tattoos. They come with 8 in a pack. These fun bracelets. 2 of the Team Incredibles. 2 of these Out of Sight, and 2 Born Fast. Awesome Incredibles 2 latex balloons. They have the masks on each balloon. Incredibles 2 pencils. They come in packs of 12. Our Cityscape table cover. And Incredibles 2 invitations. They do come with the invitations, envelopes, and the little stickers to seal them. All you have to do is fill out the lines for where and when, and you're ready to go.